If your vSAN cluster spans across multiple racks or blade server chassis in your data center, and you want to make sure that your hosts are protected against rack or chassis failure, you can create fault domains and add one or more hosts to each fault domain. A fault domain consists of one or more vSAN hosts grouped together according to their physical location in the data center. When configured, fault domains enable vSAN to tolerate failures of entire physical racks, as well as failures of single host, capacity device, network link, or network switch dedicated to a fault domain. To configure fault domains on an existing vSAN cluster, from your vSphere web client, select Host and Clusters. Select the cluster from which you want to create the fault domain and click Configure. Under vSAN, click Fault Domains and Stretch Cluster. Now click on the green plus sign to create a new fault domain. Enter the name for your fault domain, and then select one or more hosts for this fault domain, and click OK. Now repeat this process to create additional fault domains for your cluster. When designing and sizing your vSAN fault domains, consider the following guidelines. Provide enough fault domains to satisfy the primary level of failures to tolerate that are configured in the storage policies. Define a minimum of 4 domains for best protection. Assign the same number of hosts to each fault domain. Use hosts that have uniform configurations. And whenever possible, dedicate one fault domain of free capacity for rebuilding data after a failure. For detailed information on designing and sizing vSAN fault domains, be sure to go to docs.vmware.com.